Right guys, when it's October 21st and it's our trip. We are going to Iceland. Anyway guys, I'm just so excited and I'm with my son right now, with Isaiah. I'm just waiting here to TSA for him to go through. I just went through like a couple minutes ago and now I'm just waiting for him. We are probably boarding here in about, we have another an hour to board the airplane, and our flight won't be leaving until 6 o'clock in the morning. So we are heading to Iceland guys, so I'll see you guys later. This is our first leg of our trip, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, we are just waiting for our boarding. We're gonna be boarding here in about 15 minutes, heading to Salt Lake City. So we're heading to Salt Lake City. It's one of our layover. So we're gonna be there probably in about an hour. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, we are boarding. Alright, we just touched down here in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we're gonna be looking for our gate to go to New York. So we're looking for A3 for our New York flight guys. It's still early in the morning, so everything is so quiet in here, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright, we are boarding to New York. Guys, we just landed here in New York and we are stopping by to get something to drink and something to eat. We're starting to get hungry, so it's about 4:40 here in the afternoon and we have 5 hours layover for our final destination. So I will see you guys later. Guys, we are waiting for our next flight. We are heading to Iceland, so we have probably another hour to do the boarding, and we are starting to get tired. So I'll see you guys later. See you at Iceland guys. Bye. Alright, we are boarding guys. Hi. Good morning. 22A right here. Alright guys, we are board in the airplane heading to Iceland, and we have a lot of room. As you can see, we're so lucky. So we are traveling for over 5 hours today guys to get there, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. We're here guys, touchdown. We're in Reykjavik. That's how you call it, Reykjavik. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, 8:20. We don't have a sleep yet. All right. That's where we're going, Blue Lagoon. Yeah, this is another beautiful. We are in the duty free, guys. We're just checking out the stuff.
got me feeling. You got me feeling.
We are here in the bus, heading to the town. Heading to our hotel, guys. All right, guys, we made it. We are here in Reykjavik. Reykjavik. I don't know how you pronounce it. Reykjavik. Anyway, we're here. We just got here. Our room is not ready yet for another hour or two. We're gonna come back. We're gonna get some breakfast. We're looking for a breakfast place. So we're walking up in the streets for breakfast. Okay. I think that's the one she's talking about, the coffee shop. What do you think, Isaiah?
Cool.
All right, everything's running smoothly so far, guys. Gore. That's where we are. I don't know if it's correct.